Here's an interesting app called WOMBO Me AI Avatar Maker, Portrait and Avatar Generator. So this is the app built by WOMBO Studios, which already built few hits like Dream by WOMBO. As you can see, 141,000 ratings. It's very popular app. And this is the new one, AI Avatar Maker. You can say, well, there are like hundreds of these AI Avatar Makers. There is Lenza AI app. There are like Epic app. There are all these yearbook filters and all of that. But this app actually takes only one selfie. So an AI app that seamlessly reimagines the world of Avatar by blending innovation and creativity. Elevate yourself with a touch of realism and enjoy yourself in a world where technology meets imagination. WOMBO Me brings photo manipulation to your fingertips. It just basically takes only one selfie. So let's just see that. And then you can create an account just with Apple or Google. So just tap that and then you will be able to create an account and start with the app. Then you can just access the camera and okay, so let's just try to generate it. Look directly in the camera, remove all accessories such as glasses and hats, find good lighting, and then it just generates. Let's take it out, how much time it takes. This is a really cool feature that it only requires one photo, because in other apps, like for example, Photorama, I tried it, I upgraded. It requires, like 10 or so selfies and all of them should be really, really different. And it's, so then, you can see all the images generated. And then here is the app. I don't know. So that's like the idea of it. That's what it takes. It's not that detailed, it's, but what's cool of it, is that, then you can just upgrade with it. So if you want 10 more mixed outputs, you can just purchase it for $2. So the plus of this app is that you don't need to spend time on taking all these different selfies with different backgrounds, different expressions. It's just you instantly take a photo and instantly the result is ready, super fast, super easy. Give it a try, definitely. This app is available on Android as well. And then you just have this gallery ready. And then you can create all these different cartoon characters, premium. Like you can also create these yearbook photos. And then you can also retake photo. Kind of quite cool. Then you can just open it up and then here you have your gallery. So and then if you want, you can just delete your account. So that's what it is.